In this episode, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Instagram, both on your iPhone and your Android phone. To start with our iPhone, unfortunately Instagram doesn't have this feature on their app. So what we're gonna do is to swipe up. I'm using the older version of iOS, so in your case you have to swipe down if you are using the current version of iOS. From there you wanna long press this bright icon and then click on turn on dark mode. Right after that, everything in your phone will turn on the dark mode, including Instagram. So this is a quick way of getting Instagram turn on dark mode. So if you want to turn it off, so you want to do the same process, long press the brightness, then turn off the dark mode. So anytime you want to turn on dark mode on Instagram or turn it off, you want to do this process. The same also applies to our Android phone. Instagram doesn't have this feature on their app again. So what we have to do is to locate our settings, then scroll down to locate display and click it. From there you could see dark mode here. So once you turn the dark mode on, now every feature on our phone will also turn on dark, including Instagram. So when we open our Instagram, the app is also now currently in dark mode. So this process applies both on your iPhone and Android phone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.